Mr. Crane back again. We're doing some gymnastics outside. Now remember, no matter when you do gymnastics, you gotta get warmed up. So I'm gonna show you another warm up for our upper body because we're gonna be doing forward and backward rolls. So you take your arms, not bent, we're making like a W here, make a T. My fingertips are pointed up, make small circles going forward. I'm gonna make these small circles for like 20 seconds. And I just keep going, keep going. You're gonna feel burning sensation in your deltoids. If you don't know where your deltoids are, you're gonna find out by the end of this, okay? They're the upper part of our shoulders. After we get to about 20 seconds, you stop now, go reverse, backwards small circles. Keep going. Do this right now with me. So we're going backwards circles, 20 seconds. In a moment, we're gonna take our fingertips down and make big circles going backwards. How about now? Fingertips down, big circles, slow circles. Don't go fast, slow circles. 20 seconds. We don't have to make 20 circles. You could count it by the circles if you want, because since we're going slow, if you go 20 slow circles, probably do this for 30 seconds, which is more than enough. And we're not done yet. Start to feel that burn in your deltoids. Now go forward for big, slow circles. And as you're making your circles, try to make them big all the way around. Big all the way around. And now give yourself some hugs. Oh, nobody loves you like you love you. Come on, you deserve a few hugs. Now take an arm, whoosh, across. Put your hand behind your elbow and pull. Maybe put your chin on your shoulder. That one's nice. Hold that for about 10 seconds. And then take that same arm up. Oh, and reach those fingertips down and back. Hold that for another 10 seconds. Now if you notice, it's a beautiful sunny day out here. And I'm wearing pants and a sweatshirt. Whew, it's too hot for this. Oh, we gotta get the other side. Reason why I'm wearing a sweatshirt and pants is because I'm gonna be rolling around on grass. I'm a little bit allergic, so I get all itchy. If you get itchy, well, put on some sweaters, put on some pants. Protect yourself. And then, after you're done, you'll feel pretty good because that wind will hit your sweaty body and evaporation happens. That's how we cool down. Evaporation is the key. Okay, shoulders are warmed up. Now if you notice, here on the grass, I have a ball. Because when we're doing rolls, forward or backward, we want to think like the ball. It's round, okay? If our back is flat or plank, we're not gonna roll. We're gonna stop. We're gonna hit that flat spot in our body and so you gotta make your body a ball. And what's great here on the grass, you can't see it too much, but I'm gonna roll the ball down it. I got a little bit of a hill, just a little bit. That's perfect for practicing gymnastics because it's gonna help me roll. If I'm having trouble rolling forward or backward, this helps. So just like before, I got my hood on. Just like before, put your hands down, frog stance. Tuck your chin. Woo! It's like that. See how fast that went? Because the hill helped me with my momentum. I didn't even have to push with my feet. I just was going down like I was putting my head down and woo! Happened real fast. I'm gonna go do it again. sit like a frog, tuck my chin. As soon as I start coming down, whoa! It's so much faster than the flat ground. Now, after you practice this a whole bunch, if you get really, really good, you could try it backwards. Quiet, Bruno, quiet.